Back to AutoHound, it is car season here in New England. It's freezing cold. It's like 45 degrees, but I don't care. This is what we do this car stuff for, right? So we're going to go around. We're going to take a look at all of the cars. We just filmed an amazing GT3. Oh my God, it's crazy. You'll see the full video on that one. That's just a standalone episode. However, we're going to show you all the cars that are here in Concord, New Hampshire. They do this the second Sunday of every single month here in Concord. If you like this video, make sure you check us out for more episodes. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, it's about the drive.